Alright, today I'm going to fix my 7-way on this dually. This plug was busted off, so I bought a replacement one for the GM style. I got to try to fix this where it's been smacked around. You can see this 7-way hasn't been working. I plugged into it and it doesn't give me any, really, I'm not for sure if it gave any lights or anything. It was pretty much dead. But it's got a splice in underneath here, and here's the splice for it, and this splice goes up to for the 7-way in the bed. And there's some problems with it too. I don't know if, actually, now that I'm looking at it, I see some nastiness on the wire. I see some breaks in the insulation, and that's probably what was giving me a solid break. I had like a positive 12 volts in one of the turn signals, so kind of makes sense there. So I've got a few little things here to do. I'm gonna put a replacement one of these in the bed. I'm actually gonna move it up to the front of the bed because that's how my Lance camper's set up. You reach in through the inside and you plug it in up front. And then I got a pigtail here, replacement pigtail, and then I got one of these, simple. And it's 7 foot long. I don't know how far. I don't know. Hopefully that goes up to the front well. So I'll have this down here for plugging in bumper trailers, and then I'll have one up top here for, it's actually kind of handy for gooseneck trailers and your fifth wheel. Well, unfortunately, I'll have to, I don't know if I can reach up here. This truck's huge. This truck's really tall. It's even taller because it has bigger tires on it. There's 235 85s, so it makes them quite a bit taller. Let's see here. This kind of weld broke right up here. It's better. That's pretty good, actually. I might better leave that. Well, I don't know. Huh. Hey.
Are you working on the truck?
Yeah.
What part do you actually need for the truck?
Huh? Oh,
What
yeah.
part are you need for the truck? What's that?
That's our 7-way harness for the camper.
Bobby says he doesn't know if we'll leave tomorrow. Because Mom says it, because he said Mom said it's just luck if it's gonna be tomorrow. Tonight, so it might be tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, that's neat. I wish I could just.
And I bet it will be.
Oh. Man, that is like not even right. I wonder if I could buy a replacement. Weld it on. I don't know if this is going to come off now. Yeah, that'll be good. Get all these out. This all looks terrible. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the black wire doing? I have to check these. And then this, see this? Something ain't right here. Now I need to figure out which one's my oh, this is the truck, and this is the existing bed. Isn't that interesting? Here should be good. Oh shit. Guess I should have unhooked the battery. I always am nervous of not having enough wire, therefore I just leave piles and piles of wire. What an awkward spot. These are oxidized, so I'm gonna hit them with some. They'll hit them with some emery cloth, and they'll solder better. Let's do these. This is better. Double. Negative, found some tubing. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. This is going to be. Gonna have a nasty bulge right there where I lined up all those splices. Should have staggered them. That's a good way. And right here. But we're not gonna do that because I got this thing. So let's see how far 7 feet's gonna go. I'm afraid 7 feet's not gonna be long enough. Got it just screwed up. I need like 10, well yeah, 7 feet. I don't think that'll work at all. Maybe like 12 feet. Yeah, this doesn't look like it's gonna work. Bummer. Where I was thinking. So, under the split here between the body and the bed, looking up in the frame rail, I just saw this wiring harness kind of wedged up in here, and I'm betting that is that looks like it's got 7-way wiring in it. It's kind of neat. So I have to, looks like it comes from the factory that way. So I don't know for sure how that, yeah, that's 7-way. Huh, neat. I'll have to, yeah, I guess it come, so, and it's running, it runs all the way to the back, so I'm not really for sure what that's all about. But familiar. Well, how about that? Okay, we got blue, green, 4-way, 7-way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm confused. Okay, we got back up, something, an extra blue. I wonder what that blue wire is for. Huh. Interesting. You got yellow, green, and brown. Anyway. Awesome. I'll be able to just take that, stick it up back. Probably could just put another one of them fancy pigtails on it. I'll have to order that. So that's all I can do today. But that's what I'm going to do. Okay, real quick before it gets dark, I'm going to put this harness on. Mount this in the bed. Actually don't need it this long, but that's okay. Kind of rolling the dice if this is even hooked up and works properly. Thinking I could maybe just check a couple of them and verify. Got the 12 volt off and see if it's got power or not. We got 12.5 volts there. I'm just gonna run with it. All right, now this lime green is gonna go to purple because that's the reverse. Now I've got 8 wires here, and this light blue is the chisel, center high mounted stop lamp. Like if you were to put like a camper shell, not like mine, but like a camper shell that was going to be permanently mounted on the truck, you could use that wire to feed the center high mounted lamp. Yeah, I guess lime green is used to be the reverse. Now this is a Hopkins pigtail, and the other one I used up front or in the back was a Kurt. Just make sure I don't ground out now. I'll just leave that. Okay. Let's go back to the old tried and true. Might have to get some, I still got quite a bit of these. I guess I should hook this up. I think everything's good here. Alright, I'm just going to overlap them a little bit. That's pretty pretty good. Okay, now trying to get these somewhat. That's a good one. You can really see that solder spread. See if I can get it fished up through the top here. Well, maybe I'll go get some convoluted tubing. That's pretty good. Shove that through here. This cable. What the heck? I should have put that back. Need all that cable. Doesn't quite fit. Like that and go underneath and plug it in. Alright, I got the 7-way plug in up front there. I might still come back and put one in the back. That seems a little, it's so much easier to hook up your gooseneck and fifth wheels. But I need that one up front for the camper. But the problem with this truck is it's so tall and it's a little hard for me to, I'm gonna have to have a little stepper. Starting to rain, so I didn't have time to film too much of this. Light on. Yeah. So maybe you can see. There. Just put it in there. Got with the dually outer fender. You got plenty of room. And then I just stuck the. I probably need to secure that harness a little better. I just coiled it up and zip tied it and stuffed it on top of the frame. Okay, we're done here for now.